What is going on, everyone? This is Epic Guild 597 bringing you a Black Ops 2 live game. Oh my, no, not live. What am I? This isn't Black Ops 2. What are we rolling here? Like, what? Come on, no. Change the chat channel. Come on. Come on then. This is gonna be scary as balls, boys. But we're going in! Brayden, talk to me!
Hello.
Dude, I need some backup support sauce, man. I'm scared of the butt right now. Do you go to the fog or no?
No, I don't care. I'm not helping.
He's helping me, guys, just to let you know.
No, he's not. No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
The guy doesn't scare you until you collect the first tape. That's what I've heard. So, I'm not phased.
I'm pretty sure that's how it happens.
Shut up. I don't want to hear pretty sure, dude. I want to know.
Oh my gosh, max ammo!
Yes, the statues. This is where a tape is always. Oh, I don't like this river. No.
Ian, don't.
Alright, dude. I'm going for the first tape.
The river.
I'm going to the first tape. 3, 2. Do it for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vine. I ain't gonna do it. Do it for the vine. Wait.
I want to hear you scream.
Alright, dude. I'm grabbing it. I grabbed it. No! No! Oh, the sweat is so real right now. Holy
Dude,
crap.
I wish you were... Dude, I wish you were live streaming.
Oh my freaking gosh, it's scary as balls, man. Oh my gosh. I'm not looking up. I'm not looking up. Fine, I'll look up. Gosh, this was a mistake. Where's the white guy so I can just get it over with? I just want to look at him. Come on, just show him right in front of me. Come on. Where is he?
Dude, I will be so freaked out if I just randomly hear you scream. I'm just like, what?
Dude, I'm scared. I'm scared. Man, I don't want to look. I don't want to look so much. I'm just going into the fog. Like, what do you want, kids? Like, I'm sweating so hard right now. I can't, my controller is so slippery. Okay, he just got a sprint on, so that must mean he's scared, right? So the white guy must be close. Whoa! Okay, I hit the edge. Is there another tape? Anywhere? I'm looking at the edge. I don't want to look up. I'm not looking up. I'm not looking up. I'm not looking up. I'm not freaking looking up. Okay? Everyone got that?
No, my controller just died.
Yes, eat a butt. I'm scared. Oh, there's blood. Oh no, that's not blood. That's just a glitch. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm scared as baloney tar right now. Holy crap. Is that even a word? Oh my days. Why am I saying that? Why am I saying oh my days? Alright, I'm just gonna review the wall. Just walking right next to the wall. Because YOLO swag, man. Oh my gosh! My controller's starting to flash. Or my flashlight. Fudge off, man. It's running out of batteries.
Oh, dude, I hate when that happens.
Shut up! I don't want to hear it! Oh my days. Mommy! I'm at the fence gate. Holy crap. Alright, I'm looking around still. Alright. Whoa! I don't want to be here. Ah, a tape! A tape! Don't park in front of me! Don't do that! Don't do that! I found a tape! No, that's a monster! Oh my gosh! Ah! No! Get away from me! Get away from me! No! Run! Run for your life! I'll let him until I kill you! Oh my gosh!
Dude.
He's right behind me. He's AIDS, man. Oh no! I saw him! Ah! Ah! Wait, what? There wasn't a stream there before. Oh no! Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Looks like I'm having a better day than you, Ian.
Oh my. Shut up, dude. No! gosh. Thank you guys so much for watching. I screamed like a girl. I don't care. Whatever, that was scary as balls. I don't know if I'll do a part 3, guys.